Hello guys, welcome to lesson 2 on how to create iPhone apps. In lesson 1, we displayed a whole bunch of objects on the screen. Now in lesson 2, we will add user interaction. So just tap on Xcode and in the recent tabs, find your project and double tap to open it up. Everything should be where you left it off. Now, if you run the application right now, everything is working and everything's working, but when you change the slider's value and when you tap on the button, nothing's happening. So let's test that. Yep, nothing's happening. To change that, just close the simulator, and on the upper right corner you should tap on the middle button on the editor. That will open up two screens. Go to the button next to the arrows, go on automatic, select view controller.h, and make a IB action between the button. So on connection, put action. For name, put button 1 press. Make sure the type is ID, event is touch up inside, and arguments is sender. Connect it, and you're all wondering what's an action, what's a view controller, and all that. An action is basically when the user does something does some user interaction with a button or a slider. For the button, we put touch up inside, which is basically when the user presses the button. View controller is basically what organizes this whole view controller. So it's the .h is where you can declare all your buttons and properties. Properties are basically connections to the object. And viewcontroller.m is where you put all your code on what happens. So if you see right here, we have button 1 pressed. So between the two brackets, we insert code that will be run when the button is pressed. So let's say when the button is pressed, you want the screen's color to change to red. So that's pretty easy. All you have to do is self.view.color, not color, self.view self.view.background color equals UI color. Oh, wait, my bad. Sorry. Equals UI color red color. So what's basically going to happen is when the user presses button 1, the background color of the screen will turn to red. So this code is understandable. Should be understanding it. Wait for the simulator to load. So when it loads up, just tap the button and the screen turns red. Now, let's say when the other button is pressed, you want the screen to turn green. So basically did what you do with the first button, just tap the second button, press the middle button under editor, make sure it's in the .h, control drag, make sure it's on action, touch up inside, ID sender, button 2 pressed. Connect. So .m, just type in, oh my god, not typing, self.view.background color equals UI color green color. And remember, after every line of code you have to put a semicolon when you run this. Red color, green color, red color, green color. And now that's the end of lesson 2. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.